Uma mucemanio uria gwititio ni atongoria witikio wa Gĩithĩramu guku bururi-ini thiini wa muthigiti wa Jamia guku Nairobi.
Without further ado, to officially commence
atongoria ya makiria thirikari kugitira imwana cia witikio uyu iria marauga ni ciroragwo citare na mahitia ni maafitha a borithi.
Many people have been killed in mysterious circumstances and others have disappeared without trace, with security agencies being blamed for these illegalities.
We in Kenya do not have an extrajudicial killing policy, that when we suspect that people have committed a crime, we kill them or we go after their life.
We, the Muslim leaders and Muslim community, have a role to play. We can no longer bury our heads in the sand. We must be part and parcel of the national security conversation.
There's also been failure by the Muslim community themselves. And we have to accept that. Because these are our children and we are the ones who are bringing them up. But this is not happening. And we have to be very, very sincere.
Atongoria acio oho ni maugite giko kia maafitha a borithi thiku nini hituku kunyitwo makiria mukawa-ini umwe mwena wa Isili ni kioneria kia uria ugitiri uhagukite undu uria mutongoria wa borithi Hilary Mutyambai augite ni moete makinya marumu ma watho.
When police officers moved from Kayole and other places, they went in there at night, robbed people and disappeared. This is now the beginning of a repeat of what was happening in the 70s.
Just to give you an update, action was taken immediately. The 3 officers involved and captured in CCTV, they were arrested, and this morning they appeared before the court.
No undu uria wiyumiririe na njira nene thiini wa mucemanio uyu ni wigie muthako wa kamari uria utongoria uyu wothe ugite makinya marumu ma watho magirirwo kuoyo kuhurana na uthaki wa kamari na ndawa cia kulevya.
Stop lying to each other that there's some cheap easy money we are going to get by somebody giving us money through gambling. But I have never been more resolute on something than I am on this. This thing is destroying our people. Let us not accept it.
Even I'm ready to bring the law tomorrow. We must ban gambling in Kenya. Betting and gambling, we must ban. It is a threat, in fact, to national security.
Thirikari ni iraneire ati ni irathuthuria maafitha a borithi kuma gicua-ini aria marerikana mahurire aikari makiuga ni moragite afitha umwe wa borithi na oho kugaitanga iria cirendia ndawa cia kulevya ni ciekuerwo makinya marumu ma watho.
Drug and substance abuse has destroyed and continues to destroy the productive life of thousands of young Kenyans.
And it is not ordinary wananchi who are selling drugs. It's not ordinary people across the road. Ordinary wananchi who are moving around drugs. It's well-heeled people, well-connected people.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Mũitĩrĩri wa Wangari.